Hey guys, in this video I will show you the best free alternative to Base44. Alright, let's begin. At number 1, Lovable is a powerful free alternative that focuses on simplicity while still offering useful features for managing projects and workflows. It provides a clean interface that makes navigation smooth and helps you organize tasks efficiently without unnecessary distractions or complexity in your daily usage. At number 2, Notion is a versatile, all-in-one workspace that allows you to manage notes, tasks, and databases in one place. It is highly customizable and works well for individuals and teams who want better productivity, structure, and a flexible system that adapts to different workflows. At number 3, Trello is a popular option that uses a visual board system to help you track tasks and manage projects effectively. It is simple, collaborative, and integrates with many tools to improve your workflow. So that's basically the best free alternative to Base44. That's it for this video. Thanks.